What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside of the Goodwill. We're gonna go inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's go. I have a feeling we are gonna find some pretty good stuff today. I hope so. Let's go. I didn't think it was that busy here, but there's only 2 carts left. Oh, and this cart's broken. The back wheels don't even spin. Oh no, it's my competition. What's up, man?
Just found a couple today.
Oh, a couple.
Nothing too great, no.
No?
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't look like anything I would even grab.
Probably
well, Virtual
the
Tennis 4 maybe.
Probably the best out of everything.
Hey, not bad.
That's about it.
At least you found something.
I know, right?
DJ Hero 2.
Here's a couple right here.
What do you got?
Take a look at.
Gran Turismo 5. It's not horrible. ABBA, MLB, that's nothing. Little Deal or No Deal. Some Call of Duty. Honestly, probably the best one is Gran Turismo 5. I think it's 6 that goes for money though. But it's only $2 and it's complete, so I'll stick it in the cart. Alright, so I just went through well, not all of them, but I looked over a bunch of the CDs and the DVDs and some video games, and we got a nice little stack right here. We got a brand new sealed Theodore Rex with Whoopi, never heard of this before. Sealed CD for $1, another sealed CD for $1. These are always good. This one's used, but it's Carol's, so the price is a little spiked right now because Christmas time. I didn't even look to see if it was in here. On Christmas night, is it the same thing? No, this is Candlelight Carols. So, wrong one, put it back. Just Dance 2016, that's not bad. And that Gran Turismo, it was actually worth a bit. So, some pretty cool finds. Can go check out down here. Let's see what they got. Oh, actually, out of the corner of my eye, found a huge printer for $12. A Lexmark. I really dislike testing and shipping printers. It's not very fun, but we can for sure look this up. Looks pretty clean, so that's good. We'll take a look at that. And down here, we have a Razer. Oh, this one's $60. That's really expensive. I picked up 2 of these from this exact Goodwill. I paid, I believe, $20 each. And I sold them for $50 each locally. So made a quick $60. I was happy about that flip. This one, you know, it's paying $60. I know they only sell for $50, so locally anyways, so it's not a great deal. Let's look up this printer together. Alright, so I found the model number right on the front here, Platinum Pro 905. We found it on Amazon. The rank is a bit high. It has lots of reviews. Looks like brand new. It's going for $250, used $315, so that's inflated. So it would have to sell for under $250, probably closer to $200. The rank's a bit high though, but for $12, I mean, that seems like a good enough risk. Now, a way to double check, people always ask me, how do I decide whether I sell something on eBay or Amazon? Because the rank's kind of high, there's only one person selling it new and one person selling it used. I'm actually also going to check eBay and see what it's going for over here. All right, so I looked it up on eBay, and see, here's the thing, not a single sold listing. So it definitely doesn't sell very well. So I'm just gonna leave it. I mean, I'm sure it could sell on Amazon, maybe even for just $100, but I don't really wanna mess with it. It's really big and heavy. All right, so this is pretty interesting right here. These are all books by Lillian Jackson Braun. Never heard of her, but it's a bunch of The Cat Who This, The Cat Who That. There's exactly 20 of them, and blue is 50% off here today. So these are 50 cents each on 20 of them, so $10. And if you take a look, you could see there's a big lot that sold for 50, a lot of 13 that sold for 23, 18 sold for 28, 7, those are hardcovers. And they seem to sell pretty regularly, a bunch this month. There's a lot of 12 for 25. Oh, there we go, 21, those are hardback though. There we go, paperback, 23 for 30. I have 20. I bet I could get about 30, but I have to pay $10. Now, shipping on them, media mail's pretty cheap. I don't know if there's enough money. If they were selling for 40, I would probably do it. But this wouldn't be a horrible flip. It's just not one that I really want to do. I also have a bunch of book lots listed right now that I'm waiting to sell, so I don't really want to take up more space on my shelf with this, but it is an option, and it's an option I always like to show off that, you know, if you scan this, it's not worth anything, but you can grab a whole bundle and make a big bundle and still walk away with about $15 profit. Alright, so I just finished going through these and I look down here and I see this awesome James Bond 007 book, and it's blue, so it's only $1 because it's normally $2. And this thing is just so cool. I'm not even going to look it up because I want it for myself. Just look at how cool this book is. It talks about all the different gadgets and all the different places and little diagrams of the fights that he was in. This is just so cool. This is coming home with me for $1. So I'm actually taking a look. It seems like blue and green are both 50% off Sunday and Monday, and today is Monday, so hey, not bad. I will take it. Let's try and look for some green things. Should we go check the electronics? I think so. What do we have up here? Some Total Support. I think they're brand new. These are kind of interesting. I don't know the brand, but they're only $2, so let's scan these into Amazon and see if they're worth anything. So I'll pull up my Amazon seller app, open up the barcode scanner, and there they are right there. Okay, not bad. They're selling very regularly for about, Amazon has them for 28 bucks. Let's hope that they're cheap here. $2. Yeah, that's a good $2 score. We'll throw those in the cart. All right, let's see what we got down here. More printers. There's always printers. And printers, again, can go for great money. I just do not like to deal with them. Remotes can also go for decent money. This is a Denon. I've sold Denon before. $6. It must go with a Denon product here that they have priced at $6, and this is included. I can't imagine why they would just price the remote at $6. We'll stick it in the cart, see if we can find it, and see what else we got down here. This Deal or No Deal game, oh, it's on. I've actually sold this exact thing before. $3, is that good? We'll look it up. So there it is, we already saw it power on, so we know it works. You can see right here, the rank is a little high, but it's selling for 19 bucks, so you make almost $10 on it. Brand new, it's going for almost 90, so hey, to make a quick 10 bucks, I think, yep, that's coming with me. Alright, so I just walked away from the electronics section because I'm standing in the aisle and a lady is hacking up a lung over there, sneezing and coughing non-stop. She probably shouldn't be in here, but whatever. I did find another one of these in that aisle though, so this is pretty cool. We got 3 of them now, $2 each. Good money there. Never found the thing that goes with this remote, so we're just gonna look the remote up by itself real quick on eBay. The Denon RC877. See if this is worth any money. First, let's check the battery compartment, make sure it's not all exploded and corroded. There's usually a reason why you can't get it open, and look at that, it is destroyed in there. So we're just gonna leave this, and I'll actually leave that top off so people know that it's all broken, and hopefully Goodwill will just throw it out. There's no way that's gonna work. All right guys, so we cut it a little short in there. I decided to leave because that lady inside was so sick. You know, if you're sick, you probably shouldn't be out in public right now, but whatever. She was walking around coughing and sneezing on everything non-stop, and she's still in there right now, so whatever. I wanted to leave. This is what I got. We got a few of these foot things, $2 each. I mean, that's a great deal. You saw how much money I'll make on those, over 20 bucks a pop. That's pretty sweet. The media, I did show you guys prices on that stuff. Pretty good. Deal or no deal. You know, I probably could have found more stuff in the electronics section, toys section, if I wanted to stand next to her, but I just did not want to.